Model 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi Limited Spares OR Repairs Body, Grey, Panel Van Mileage 121265 MOT, the 7th of September 2024 Engine 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire engine down on compression on a cylinder, potentially cracked piston. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: electric windows, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors, 2 keys, reversing camera, heated seats. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £9,395. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.